This video we'll be looking at why are single page applications called SEO unfriendly. So SEO is search engine optimization, and it's an integral part for a lot of websites, for a lot of web apps, because that's what helps. It's all about getting your website visible when someone searches for it in Google or some other search engine. So it's really important that people get to discover about your website even though they are not on your domain directly. So yeah, for example, if you're writing a blog, so you would want, uh, suppose if you're writing a blog for Node, React, Go or something, and if someone searches for Go blogs or Node blogs, React blogs on Google, you would want your website or link to that blog come. You would want it to show up as a search result. But when the front-end applications are built using single page application architecture, SEO is not there, so it's broken. So we'll explore why that's the reason, like why it happens. So here I have bootstrapped an application from Create React App utility. It's a utility by React for bootstrapping single page applications. So, and I've not made any changes in this. It's just as is the way. So yeah, and I've started it. So let's go. Okay, let me open this thing. So in the public, we see this index.html document. If we see, okay, let's take a look. All we have here is React app, this title, some of the head data, and then this empty tag. Now if we visit our React application, it looks like this. Let me refresh it again. So if we see, we don't see any content here, like this logo, React logo, spinning logo, rotating logo, and edit app.js, save to load, learn React. None of this content resides in the HTML document. This content gets created using JavaScript by the browser. So, but search engines, when they index a website, they don't have this capability of like, not all search engines have this capability of executing the JavaScript. So when you deploy a website out in the web and search engine go, like the crawler for the search engines passes through it, all they see is this title, React app, and this empty div. So basically there is nothing to index in the search engines for your website. So in the Google results they don't show up, and hence SEO is broken. So that's pretty much the basic about it. We can see, we can inspect once more, like we can make a call and see like what is it that's thrown by the server. So if we see the response, all we see is this title and this div root in the body, but there is no editors as cf.json, cf to reload and learn React, and nothing is there. And this is the thing that crawler sees. So they don't see any context, like if it were a blog, if it was a website about selling some headphones or anything, none of that would be visible in the search engines. Like none of that would be visible to the search engines, and hence it will not appear in the search results when someone is searching for something that you have content on. So yeah, that's the reason. There are lots of ways for like how SEO can be implemented properly. So we'll take that in some other video. Thank you.